Manikin hand skin, gapping and fail zip temporary patch solutions. This is a manikin has both hand skin with fail zip, and immediate skin replacement isn't available. This video demonstrates use of heat shrink tubes to temporarily patch the failing outer hand skin. To begin with, clean and dismantle moulage of the hand skin. Disassembly pump from the forearm and position a smaller heat shrink tube around the wrist. Clean and rub a thin layer of powder to ease the positioning of the heat shrink tubes. Once heat shrink tubes in place, reassemble wrist to the forearm structure. Assemble the skin with forearm according to the anatomical positions. Use heat gun to string the transparent tube to wrap the hand skin over the wrist firmly. Wrap a larger tube over the antecubitus regions. Align the skin parallel to the heat shrink. With the skin firmly secure, the hand can be assembled to the mannequins for function tests. A close-up view of heat shrink tube reactions to hot air applications. With control heat shrink tube contracts to form a new shiny transparent membrane over the targeted area. Alright, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.